Get ready with me for dinner in Mexico. This is my go-to makeup for when I'm on vacation and I want to keep my makeup light but still get that glowy, bronzy, natural sun-kissed look. Let's jump right into it. I'm just going to start out with a little bit of concealer under my eyes, just a tiny bit. Just there and one there. Okay. I do have dark under eyes, but that's genetic. I'm not even that tired. Next, I'm gonna go in with a shadow stick. I've been loving these shadow sticks lately, and I just put it over my lash line, like that. I'm gonna blend it out. Just put a little over the lash line and then blend it out. 1 second, I need my brush.
Stop playing with me. Yeah, I just got out of the shower. I did my little skincare. I didn't even wash my face. Look at me.
Okay, go get your skin. Anyway, so we're gonna blend that out a little bit.
I don't even have drawers.
I'm gonna use my bronzer stick to give me a little bit of bronze on the lids, just a tiny bit. Oh, that's a lot. Oh well. Okay. A little more of the shadow stick. I'm gonna put a little bit of black eyeliner just on the outer corners because I like the look of that. I know that's not in style anymore, but I still like it, so a little on the corners. That's it for like shadow and liner. It's super light, but it still gives you that bronzy tan look. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of the shadow stick on my bottom lash line for some dimension. It's hard to see. I'm doing this like in my camera. It's hard. I don't know how you guys do this. It's hard to see what I'm doing, so hopefully it looks okay. I'm just gonna do some mascara now. I might have to do this in the mirror. But I use the Sky High Maybelline, it's my favorite. I'm gonna do this in the mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to skin, and I already did my skin prep. I did my skincare routine this morning with micellar water, moisturizing toner, and moisturizer and sunscreen. That's pretty much it. I use the La Roche-Posay moisturizer, and it leaves my skin very dewy and glowy. This is with no makeup on, so it's pretty good right now. If you saw my skin last year and the acne I had, it's been a journey. I'm mostly using skin tints now, and I'm still searching for my favorite one, but this is the one I've been using lately. It's the Ilia skin tint. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. I don't want a ton of stuff on my face. I'm already like sweating. I'm already hot, so we're just gonna do a little bit of this. I'm gonna go under my eyes again, just like some around the face. I kind of like how I have like the natural pinks from the sun right now, so I don't want to cover that up too much. And that's the tricky part about makeup. You don't want to cover up, you don't want to make yourself look one-dimensional when you naturally look multi-dimensional, you know what I mean? So lately I've been trying to figure out where I want to save money in makeup and where it's worth spending extra money. Foundations and stuff you put on your skin like this is where I think it's worth spending a little bit extra money for good, clean ingredients and for stuff that really looks good on your skin. So this is one of those products that's a little bit more expensive, but I think it's pretty worth it. I'm still exploring skin tints. Yeah, that skin tint made my skin super even and glowy. Now I'm gonna go in with a bronzing stick. This is one that I just found at Sephora and I'm trying it out. It's LYS. It's like a triangle. It's pretty dark for me, so I don't know. But I'm just going up here. Right there on my nose. A little bit. And then down here. I don't really know how to contour. That's kind of what works for me. just to give me some, like, a little bit extra definition. I'm already tan, I already have like a little bit of natural contour going on, but you know, just for the extra. Okay. Alright, and then some of my cheeks. Just like I put it where I naturally get more tan, because I think that looks the most natural. Okay, BareMinerals Blonzer. Now, blush is an area where I think you can buy a cheap blush and be just as fine. This one's a little bit more expensive, but it's a liquid. It's a liquid blush, which I kind of like because the liquid products, as opposed to the powder products, I feel like give me a little bit more glow, which I'm really into in the summer. It's a little much, so I might tone that down a little bit. Just gonna diffuse that with my skin tint brush. And then because I love blush so much, I'm gonna do, this is e.l.f. This is a little bit of powder I'm gonna do over that. I love the rosy cheek look. Okay, that's actually a lot. I'm gonna diffuse that again. Another area where I think it's okay to save some money is eyebrow gel, eyebrow products. I have been buying the Refi eyebrow gel for a very long time and spending like, I think it's like $24, maybe $27. I love it, it's so good. But e.l.f. makes a similar one that I've been using lately, and I think it works just as well. And it's tough for dark eyebrows because sometimes you get that white, like the white stuff stays, but I haven't had a huge problem with this one, so it feels like it's a very similar consistency to Refi because it just helps you sculpt your brows so nicely. Yeah, so this is one of those areas where I think you can save a little bit of money and find something just as good. Sometimes I just leave them like that. Sometimes I fill them a little bit. This is just an e.l.f. Eyebrow crayon thing, and it's like almost gone, but I'm gonna fill in a little bit of the sparse areas. Yeah, I'm like not, I'm sweating. Oh my gosh, why am I doing this tutorial in here? That's good enough. Okay, and then for lips, I've been liking lip stains. I just started using them. This one's the Wonderskin. So you put it on, and it's kind of cool because it lasts like a long time, and it goes on blue. I just kind of contour my lips just to make them look a little bit bigger. So you leave it on for 1 minute and then wipe it off with like a wet cloth, and then you have like a lip stain. So give me 1 minute. Okay, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna wipe this off with my towel. Yeah, so it's like a natural lip color. I like it. If I wasn't doing the lip stain, what I would do is my brown liner, which I'm gonna do a little bit anyway. Just like give it a little more contour, whatever. That is my quick vacation makeup look. Pretty natural, doesn't look like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. Very light, not a ton of stuff on my skin and on my eyes. Just light, easy, bronzy, dewy, all the things we love on vacation and always. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll answer you super quick because I know I didn't go into a lot of detail on some of the products. I'm kind of in a little bit of